Hey there, my friends. Hank here. Question for you. Do you ever find yourself discovering a new model kit and you just think, wow, that's awesome. I had no idea I needed one of those. Like, we all have our favorites. I could build M4 Shermans and BF-109s forever, probably, and still be very happy. But every once in a while I see a kit that I'm just really charmed by because I would never think to make one of those. And lately I've been seeing a lot of those kits on my Instagram feed from one company in particular, and I just wanted to share some of them with you guys today. Hopefully you're as charmed by these as I am. I'm not sponsored by these guys or anything, I'm just really impressed with the work that they're putting out. I'm talking, of course, of MiniArt, a model kit manufacturer out of Ukraine. And here are just a few examples of the kits I've been seeing from them lately on Instagram. Up first here, cheese sellers. Look at that cart of cheese. And those big honking wheels of cheese over on the dolly, just incredible. We've got this young woman counting out some money so she can pick up some cheese. It's ridiculous. I love it. Need some bread to go with your cheese? Bakers. You better believe that MiniArt's got some bakers for all your pastry needs. And if the bakery cart isn't enough, bakery products. I mean, look at this. Pieces 7 and 8 are pretzels. Look at the tiny little croissant. And of course we need some meat with our bread and cheese. Cue butchers. I mean, look at this man. Look at the mustache. Tell me you don't need to paint this man in that mustache. You gotta wash down that little snack you just had? We've got options. We've got these jolly milkmen here on their way to deliver some fresh milk. Fancy a little brandy. Calvados sellers on the spot with the carts of the good stuff. Or mystery drink, whatever's in these big old barrels. And just for a second here, look at this man. This guy is huge. I guess I gotta start moving some barrels around. And I know I'm just having some fun here, but I'm really impressed with MiniArt. This is some great stuff. Street workers. You've got this guy sweeping, you got a lamplighter, this woman delivering the papers. I love it. It's simple, it's totally different, some really interesting diorama possibilities. We got street musicians. Look at this fellow with the accordion and the cane. It's really clever. We've got a whole series of soldiers sitting down for drinks at the cafe, whatever floats your boat. Need an entire flock of sheep? Look no further. Building a library? Get yourself some bookshelves. Anyway, I just wanted to share some of these with you guys. I get a kick out of it every time I see the new releases from MiniArt, so bravo to them. If you're interested in browsing the full line of kits from MiniArt, I'll drop some links down in the description below. And until next time, my friends, be well, happy building. Cheers. You really didn't want me to make that video today, did you? Come here. Oh, come here. Say hi to the people. Say hi to the people. Say hello, Roger. Say happy building, buddy. Oh, good boy, huh? Take care, guys.